What is ocean pollution?
Ocean pollution is when harmful waste, chemicals, agricultural, or even residential waste enters the ocean.
Plastic pollution mainly involves the gathering of plastic products in the environment.
Per year, 8 million tons of plastic are dumped into the ocean.
What are the different types of pollution?
Chemical pollution is defined as the presence or increase in our environment of chemical pollutions that are not naturally present, such as chemical intoxication or chemical compounds.
By 2050, our ocean could contain more plastic than fish. What are the effects of this issue?
10 million tons of trash are dumped into the sea every year. This is almost 400 kilos every second.
Due to the plastic pollution, every year 1 million seabirds and 100,000 marine mammals die.
80% of all pollution in the ocean is man-made.
Plastic pollution is the greatest threat to the ocean, and we should work together to make sure that we can keep the oceans healthy.
So we asked people in our Alameda community what they could do to help ocean pollution.
So hello, my name is Julian Tovar, and I'll be talking about how to save the ocean. And honestly, this thing has been boggling in my mind a lot. So I see Starbucks, I see restaurants, and I see fast food places. They defeat the purpose of the straw and having a plastic straw with a paper straw, or with like buying a metal straw. But honestly, that still defeats the purpose, since you're still getting a plastic cup. And I think what corporations need to do is they need to defeat the purpose of having all plastic things, and they need to just start selling reusable equipment like cups and stuff like that would help out the environment, because you're defeating the purpose of a plastic straw, but you still have a plastic cup. So that purpose just keeps on cycling, and you keep on getting the same result. And in order to change that result, we need to change the problem. And by changing the problem, we will use reusable things like metal cups, plastic reusable cups that we're able to use.
We could save the ocean by using reusable produce bags.
We can participate in a beach cleanup project.
We can say no to plasticware and use paper straws.
Instead of plastic bottles, I'm going to use my hydro flask.
Pick up trash whenever I see it, and I'm going to go to beaches to
recycle more, and then also no more straws. Straws are out. Straws are bad for the turtles, so got to take all that stuff out.
We even decided to go outside of our own community.
All right. Hi, my name is Danielle. I'm the outreach coordinator at Heal the Bay. Is this okay? Cool. There are lots of things that you can do to kind of help the whole ocean pollution problem, and one of those things is reduce the amount of waste that we produce in the first place. So even when we're doing our best to throw our trash in the trash can where it's supposed to be, it's still going into a landfill. So ultimately we want to reduce. So, you can do that by using reusable items, reusable water bottles, reusable bags, and avoiding single-use plastics when possible. Sometimes it's unavoidable, but we want to do the best that we can. And also be aware of, our local politics, and making sure that we're supporting policies and people who are supporting environmentally friendly legislation. So that's one thing you can do. You can also volunteer for Heal the Bay through a cleanup, or when we do call for actions, to come to city council meetings and different things like that to help clean the bay.
All right, cool. So why is it important? Why is it not important? This is where we come and have fun, and we have the beach, ocean. It's not just for us, we have all this marine, the lives, the birds and the fish, and they eat all this small little, the plastic or the cigarette butts, the talk, make our, pollute the water and then the sand that we walk. So why not? And then if everybody pick up 1-2 things every time we come out to the beach, that would be awesome, don't you think?
Yeah. To save the ocean.
I pledge to save the ocean.
We pledge to save the ocean.
I 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 pledge